Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 15, 2023, 4-star Sudoku. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 7. 7th grade, we get 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 4th grade, we got 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 1st grade, and 5th row and 6th row, we have pair numbers 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells, it will confirm later. Then in column D, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 4, 9. 4th grade, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. 4th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 9, it will come in one of these cells, it will confirm later. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 5, it will come in one of these cells, it will confirm later. Then 1st grade, 3 numbers are remaining 4, 6, 9. 2nd row, 3rd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, then 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 6, it will come in one of these cells, it will confirm later. Then 7th grade, 4 numbers are remaining 2, 3, 5, 8. It will come in one of these cells, you will confirm later. 2nd row and 3rd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining 4, 5, 8. Column E, column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 8, it will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column G, column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 1. 7 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 8. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 9. It will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 9. 2nd grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 3. 3rd row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 6. 2nd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 2nd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 2nd row, only 1 number is remaining 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then 3rd grade, 3 numbers are remaining 4, 8, 5. It will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 1, 8. 10th row, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column F, only 1 number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 4, 6. 7th grade, we have 4 and 6. Column C also we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. In 10th row, only 1 number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. 7th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 8. 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 4, 6. It will come in one of the 3 cells, we will confirm later. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 5, 2. Column G, column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 4. It will come in any one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column H, column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will be any one of these cells. We confirm later. Then column G, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 6th grid, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 6th row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 9th grid, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 8th grid, column G, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. The 9th grid, two numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 6th grid and 5th row, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.